Hey y'all, I went to a resale shop. I hadn't been in I don't know when, but I went to try to pick me up a couple of things and I found 2 items and one was $1 and I wanted to show this to you. So this is my little sweater. Sleeves are see-through and I think they're really cute and feminine and kind of funky and edgy, and that's what I like. But as you can see, the fabric is kind of knotted up. And I don't quite like that, but it was $1 and it was cute. So I said, you know what? I have something at home that can fix that and show you how I shave down these balls. And I call it a fuzz buster. And this is what it looks like. It's rechargeable. This is not sponsored. I don't know if that's backwards or not. So there it is. And there's the little charge port. And there is the on and off button. Okay. I'm gonna use this fuzz buster to treat this shirt, and let's see what the difference is. All right, I'm gonna turn it on 3. I find that it's best to go in circles like this. So to go back and forth both ways like that. Now, it's important to go up and down as well and to apply a little bit of pressure. Don't forget to get the seams really well. So for example, the seams right here, a lot of times there's a lot of buildup with knots and things. So make sure you get the seams really well. And so what I do is I just gently pull it out like so. And as you can see, or maybe not, it's kind of hard to see, y'all. There's a difference between the material here and here. Okay. So that's the front right here, and that's the back. Look at that. Front, back. That has not been done yet. So this is how much we have so far with just the front of the sweater. And I'm going to clean out this box. I'm going to do the back, and I'm going to show you how much material I shaved off, and I'm going to show you the before and after. So stay tuned. Okay, so I finished shaving the shirt, shaving the sweater, and I want to say that nothing is 100% perfect, but it's certainly better than what it was. Here we go. And by the way, this is without ironing. So this is what it looks like. Hey y'all, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe to my channel where I talk about all things after 50, frugality and finances, wellness, beauty, relationships, and food. So come on and join this beautiful community as we live our best lives after 50. And everyone is welcome. All right, y'all, what do you think? $1 sweater that I have refreshed, I fuzz busted it, and I ironed it. And here we go. I really try to go the resale route because there's so much variety that you can choose from. You know, it's not trendy, so you can just find something that you personally like. You save money. Think about that. You help the environment because you're not just constantly buying and putting back into the earth. So I do like that component of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you enjoy thrifting? Do you enjoy saving money and also looking cute? Go ahead and pop your comments below. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.